I've decided I want to take George to a Cars and Coffee event tomorrow and enjoy a little bit of classic motoring. There's one thing that he needs at the moment actually, and that's just to cross over all the tyres on the car. They're the actual ones that I use for the Berlin trip on Gina. So between the two cars they've nearly done about 10,000 miles now, and in order to get the most amount of life on them they need to share some life at the front and at the back and crisscross left to right. Hopefully we'll get a nicer day than this tomorrow. Good to go. I just filled George with petrol there for my trip to the Cars and Coffee. I've been driving an electric vehicle so much lately, I couldn't remember as I was coming in which side the petrol pump was on, and it's almost with a sense of nostalgia now, filling the car with petrol. I think we'll call it classic juice from now on. Remember yesterday when I said I hope for better weather today? Better, maybe not, but certainly more interesting. Pushing through a bit of a blizzard right now. That'll be a very welcome coffee at the Cars and Coffee, which is being hosted by the Muskery Vintage Club, and we're on proper snow now. Not driven an automatic on ice before, so it's it's all down to throttle. Definitely getting more than I bargained for today. This really is driving in a winter wonderland. Really glad I rotated my tyres yesterday. I got the best ones on the front. It's quite slushy on the road. Arriving at the venue here now. You can already see some nice cars. Riley. Another Riley. Mazda 323. Mercs and a Rolls Royce. Cool. Something a bit more like George there. Blue Ascona. Let's go chat about cars. Well, that was certainly a very welcome cup of coffee. It's actually very nice between the showers of rain, sleet and snow. I'm not going to hang around too much today. I think I'm going to hit the road and get home. I've really enjoyed this opportunity to get out and about in George again, and certainly enjoyed my classic drive. So looking forward to getting back at the charade during the week. I had to kind of reschedule a couple of things this week, so didn't get as much done as I had expected to do. But we have a plan now and we'll have everything on course again. Big storm clouds over there. Head for the hills. I think we're dragging a mud flap. Maybe I reversed over the curb a little bit there. I certainly didn't feel it or hear it. But George's rear silencer is a little bit loose right now. So that's the next job. I can see that it's still securely held on by the bracket, so it can't come off. So it's just going to cause me irritation all the way home.